everybody, Nicole from Greg Coco Lives here to make you a quick dessert for you to have a sweet treat later tonight for 1.5 net carbs. Easy, quick, microwavable, little cake. Okay, let me show you what you're going to need, and you can alter these ingredients how you wish, and I'll explain it as we go. All right, here we go. Okay, so what you're going to do is get you a little ramekin or a bowl of some sort. I spray it liberally with cooking spray. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter. That's it. You're going to need an egg, salt, cream cheese. It's just I've opened it. It's in my silicone bag. A liquid sweetener of some sort, powdered sweetener, an extract, and almond flour, and that is it. You're going to mix it all together, microwave it for 90 seconds. It's a little 90-second cake. Okay, so this is where you can change it up. You're going to need everything. The extract, I'm using coconut. You could use vanilla. You could use rum. You could use cake batter, lemon, maple, anyone that you want to change up your cake. I'm using coconut. You could add chocolate chips. You don't have to add chocolate chips. If you add chocolate chips, remember they're sugar-free chocolate chips, but they do have carbs, so that it'll up your carb intake. Probably if you do like a half a teaspoon or tablespoon, because they're small, instead of 1.5 net carbs, it'll probably be 2 net carbs per cake. Okay, so you're going to melt your butter in your ramekin. Okay, I've got it melted, and we are going to add our egg. Now, if you do this right away, stir immediately because it'll scramble your egg. Mine I did a minute ago, so we're okay. A little, I'm using, remember, coconut extract, a half a teaspoon of coconut extract, and you're going to stir this together, break up the yolk, and get it stirred together. Okay? Then we're going to add a teaspoon of swerve, or, you know, a powdered sweetener, so 1 teaspoon. Okay. Oh, I almost dropped it. A teaspoon of swerve. And then you're going to do just like a little squirt of a liquid sweetener. This is how the recipe was written, and I left it in there. I altered some of the other stuff, but I don't know why it's like that, but that's what it says, and it does taste better with it. So I just do a little squirt. I'm assuming you could leave that out and just up your sweetener if you'd like, if you don't want to do the liquid sweetener. Just a little pinch of salt, because you know salt makes everything better. Okay. Mix that up. Okay. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of almond flour. This is half a tablespoon, so I'm going to do 4 of these. So 2 tablespoons. I'm just doing 4 because it's a half a tablespoon. Okay. And then our 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry, a tablespoon and a half of our cream cheese. And they're marked ounces on here, so you just figure out how many ounces, which I have marked it on my paper, but I don't remember how much it weighed. I marked it on my lines on here. The ounces are already marked, but if you can mark your own little for a tablespoon. So a tablespoon and a half of your cream cheese. Get that nice and stirred. Now mine is not soft enough, and I thought it was. It's not. I've left it out forever. So I'm going to microwave it for like 10 seconds to soften that up, and I'll be right back. And then we'll stir it all together. Okay, I just popped it in the microwave to soften up the cream cheese because it wasn't soft enough, and now it's fine. So you're going to stir this up. It's going to be a little liquidy. You'll make sure your cream cheese is soft to begin with. Stir that up, and then you're going to pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds, and you have your 90-second mug cake. Okay. I'll be back and show you what it looks like. All right, 90 seconds, and your mug cake is done. It's hot. Single serve. You'll see the chunks of cream cheese that I didn't mix in, but still it'll be delicious. 1 serving, 1.5 net carbs. If you add chocolate chips, it'll be 2 net carbs. If you add strawberries, it'll be 2 net carbs, which I'm going to do. So chop up a berry. Add in a little dollop of cream. There you have your little coconut 90-second mug cake. Yum. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. I've had these before and I like them. I have it on a pot holder because it's hot. See it? It's moist. That is so good. Remember I've said in the past, mistakes sometimes pay off. Chunks of cream cheese is good. I don't think it tastes eggy at all either. It's very moist. Hot. Worth every carb. Carb and a half. Can't beat it. The way I made it, it's 2 net carbs with the strawberries or the chocolate chips. Give it a try.